Hey, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I want to answer a question that I'm seeing a lot on my social media feed. I'm seeing different Amazon gurus talking about drop shipping and how great of a concept it is, how great of a plan it is. It's the right way to sell on Amazon. It's the way to make money. So I want to dive into that a little bit, and I'll just start by saying this. There are some significant dangers with doing drop shipping on Amazon. All right, so first let me give you a little background, explain what dropshipping is, and then we'll dive into the dangers. So first of all, if you've never seen any of these videos from me or from us here at ALGO, ALGO's been around for 7+ years, teaching people like you how to sell on Amazon, how to do it the right way, how to avoid costly mistakes, and how to make money, side money, passive income on Amazon. Specifically me, 22 years ago, my wife and I started our first website. So I've had a lot of experience on the internet, and here I am today as one of ALGO's lead trainers. Okay, drop shipping. So drop shipping is a great theory. Here's the theory. You don't touch a product. You don't even have to use your own money. You have a drop shipper. Let's say this drop shipper has hundreds, if not thousands of different products in their warehouse, and they give you permission to sell those products, and then they'll take it from there. They'll do the shipping, the storage, all that. All right, so here's how it works. You throw some of those products on a website, you throw them on Amazon, you throw them on eBay, you throw them wherever, where the public can see them, buyers can see them. Then when they buy one, you collect the money, and then you tell your drop shipper, ship it out. So you don't touch the product, you don't spend any of your own money. Sounds like a great theory, right? So here's the problem with the theory. Drop shipping. Drop shipping, when it actually happens, the product actually has to be shipped, right? So who does the shipping? Not Amazon. So when you're drop shipping on Amazon, here's what happens. You sell a product on Amazon, you then notify your drop shipper, hey, I got an order, here's their address, here's what they ordered, ship it to them. And instead of Amazon shipping the product, like most of you as buyers are familiar with, right? Fulfillment by Amazon, the drop shipper ships the product. So someone besides Amazon puts that product in a box and ships it to your buyer. Okay, let me just compare that for a second to Amazon doing the shipping. When you sell on Amazon, Amazon has the inventory in their warehouses. When someone buys from Amazon, Amazon puts it in a box, Amazon ships it, Amazon tracks it, Amazon makes sure it gets there. If something goes wrong, Amazon takes care of it. Anyone notice a trend here? Amazon, right? So Amazon's making sure that buyers are happy on Amazon. When you do drop shipping on Amazon, Amazon loses all control of all that, right? Your drop shipper is the one shipping it. Your drop shipper is the one that has to track it, make sure it got there on time. So here's the mistakes that can happen. First mistake, your drop shipper is slow. Instead of shipping it 2-day delivery, next day delivery, like Amazon buyers love, they take 3-4 days to process the order. Then they ship it 3-4 day shipping. Your buyer's getting all mad, where's my product, right? And it doesn't arrive for 7 to 10 business days. Many times, it's coming from China or somewhere else in Asia, and it doesn't get there for a month. And your buyers are reaching out to Amazon saying, where's my product? So Amazon gets these notifications from buyers wondering where their product is. Here's another problem that happens. Drop shippers are historically horrible at putting the right products in the box, unfortunately. So they put the wrong product, slightly wrong brand, model number, maybe same brand, but wrong model number, whatever. They mess it all up. They ship that product to an Amazon buyer. Again, Amazon buyer reaches out to Amazon and says, hey, I got the wrong product. What's going on? So Amazon hates drop shippers. By the way, there's lots of times they don't ever ship it. They never ship the product, right? Guess why? That's their strategy. They don't ship it until the buyer complains and says, hey, I never got my product. And then they reach out. They're counting on buyers, never even noticing that the box never arrived, right? With so many of us buying so much online, sometimes we don't notice, right? So drop shippers, there are more and more problems I can go along with this, but here's what happens. When you sell on Amazon, if you do Amazon FBA, Amazon's doing all of that. So there's not a lot of mistakes you can make on the shipping part, right? Because Amazon's doing the shipping. When you do drop shipping, there's all these mistakes you can make. So if you as a seller are selling a lot of products drop shipping on Amazon, you're gonna get bad reviews, you're gonna get mistakes, you're gonna get dings on your account, and Amazon's gonna reach out and eventually just kick you off Amazon and say, go away. You're making a bunch of mistakes. We don't want you here. So there's a lot of dangers, and I haven't even covered them all. I could keep going, right? And so I'm here out watching some cows, right? And you don't want to do drop shipping on Amazon. So I want to show you the right way to sell on Amazon. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a free 90-minute training. There's a link right down there. Click on it, and I will teach you the right way to do it. Now, the right way to sell on Amazon is to sell popular name brands. They're already selling. They already have sales volume. And then do FBA. Get your suppliers to ship it straight to Amazon. Do FBA, win the buy box. Now, if you don't know what some of the things are I'm talking about, again, I'd love to teach you. I have a free live webinar coming up, 90 minutes. I'll spend 60 minutes showing you everything I've talked about here today, the right ways to sell on Amazon, and then I'll show you how to do it. I'd love to teach you how. If you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, make a little extra money, have a little bit better lifestyle, click that link, get registered. I'll see you soon.